Restaurant table booking application is definitely a complex piece of software, and the success of that is very usually dependent on how you have designed the revenue module. Revenue module can be decided based on the target market or the target restaurants, right? So today's video is all about getting into the details of the various revenue modules you can plan for your restaurant table booking application. Hello guys, my name is Deep and today we are going to talk about the revenue models. In the last video, we talked about the features, the facilities and the cost of development of a restaurant booking application. You can find the link here in the top. So how do you decide the revenue module? The revenue module can be decided based on the target restaurants, the geographical locations and how far the culture has went towards booking tables online and using online software-based solutions. Now there are various ways, various revenue modules. Today we are going to talk in detail about each of them as well as the pros and cons of each of the revenue models. Okay, so the first revenue model is a commission-based structure. So here in this case, you do not charge the restaurants for a fixed fee. There is no fixed fee. You don't charge them the installation fee. You don't charge them anything. You only charge them each time they earn out of the platform. So consider a situation that there is a user who came to the application or the website, ordered a takeaway delivery, or he came to the restaurant, booked a table and also got their 5 of their friends, and then there was a bill of $100. Then you charge them a fixed commission, consider roughly 2.5%. so here you do not earn anything from the restaurant until a person or a user completes the whole transaction on the application. So if you have kept 2.5%, then you get $2.5 out of the $100 booking. Now, what are the benefits of having it? Now, if you are a startup and if your restaurants are not really confident about moving to a software-based system, then this is the best way because you give them the confidence that you do not have to pay until you earn out of the application, right? So that is the really good part. The negative part is that more established restaurants will not prefer to go with this structure because they don't want to pay you commissions for every transaction what they happen, because the ticket value would be, say for a situation, that $500. Now of course they might not be interested in paying you 2.5% of $500 and that to each and every time, right? So these are the pros and cons. So let's move towards the next revenue module, a fixed cost booking fee structure. So how does that work? You do not charge them per commission. You do not charge them commission per booking or per ticket value. But what you do is that you charge them a fixed cost for every booking. So if a person books a table for 5 people and your per person booking charge is $1, then the restaurant will have to pay you $5. You are not concerned about what is the ticket value. You are not concerned about anything else. You just charge them for a fixed fee for each and every booking. Now the benefit of this is that almost every type of restaurant will prefer this because again, they only pay you when there is a booking, right? There's no fixed fee, there's no monthly subscription fee. They only pay you this, and apart from that they don't have to pay you a commission on the revenues as well. So most of the restaurants will prefer that. Now apart from this too, there is third option, which is a subscription based model. You can plan subscriptions, right? Say for a situation, $200 a month, use the systems the way you want, right? This is more preferable for many restaurants. Now the problem with this is that you might lose business because restaurants might be doing really good business from your application, but you are still earning a fixed fee of $200 or $100. Now there are companies who want to play around with the subscription based model. Consider that they have designed the subscription based model based on the facilities or the number of booking. So take an example, $200 monthly fees for 1,000 bookings and to use the POS system. You pay $500 monthly fees for 10,000 bookings with POS system, with multiple payment system with table designing, floor management, and staff management. So you can decide and play around that what subscription based model would work best for you, and can decide various subscriptions based on that. Now this is basically you can play around merging multiple payment options or multiple revenue options. We discussed that you can have a fixed fee plus commission, you can have a subscription plus a fixed fee. So you can play around with that based on the preferences of the restaurants you want to target in the initial phase. Okay, so now let's talk about OpenTable. Now of course, like, the story is completely different. They dominate the market. They are practically one of the most prominent player in the market. So what they do is they charge a fixed setup fee ranging from $200 to $700 just to set up and train your staff. Apart from that, they have a fixed booking fee. I guess it's around $1 for booking per person. And apart from that, they also have a fixed value of monthly subscription which the restaurants will have to pay every single month to use the system. So they are doing all the three things: a subscription, a fixed fee, and as well as a fee to start with them. Now they can do it because they dominate the market, but that might not be the case for you. So you have to play around with these revenue models in the right way so that you can attract more customers. People are tired of OpenTable, their huge cost and everything, right? But they still use it to compete into the industry because the competitor restaurant is on that. So you have to play around in the right way so that you can reduce down the bills for the restaurant and still you can provide better facilities. So if you have watched the video till now, that means that you are interested in developing a restaurant table booking application or any booking application, or you might just be thinking to initiate that. So if so, you can reach us at sales@ibixo.com. You have the link in the description to directly reach us with the contact form. And you can also reach us on +91 84601 84608. That is 84601 84608. The country code is +91. The number is available on WhatsApp as well. If you have not watched a previous video, do have a look. That is all about the features and modules you can plan in that. And the next video in the restaurant series is going to be about the restaurant. What all the facilities you can plan for the restaurants, detailed listing of the features, modules in each and every restaurants you can plan. That will help you to decide and balance the level of features and modules you can target based on the target market, based on the geographical location you want to stay in. I'll wait for your inquiry. Signing off from Ibixo Studios. This is Deep. Bye-bye.